Yo, hello great people, African traveler again, and today I'm going to take you to Machakos town. And on my way I'm sure I'll pass several towns like Mlolongo, Athi River, places like Lukenya Hills. We'll see them on the horizon. Yeah, so just to give you a history about Machakos, actually people call it Masaku. That is the regional name. It's a Kamba name. So the regional inhabitants of the area, they are Kamba people of Kenya. And actually, one fun fact about Machakos, it's an older city than Nairobi. So Machakos was established around 1887, and Nairobi was established in 1899, something like that. So the city came from Machakos to Nairobi because the train that was being built from Mombasa to Uganda for export of copper passed Nairobi and didn't go to Machakos. So that's why the city moved from Machakos to Nairobi. So it's an interesting fact. If it were not for the train, Kenya's capital city would have been Machakos. So the world would have known Machakos as the capital city of Kenya. So guys, let's go and enjoy. It has a really beautiful, it's a town below some hilly part. It's really beautiful, and it's also the weather is really interesting. At some areas are very green and some areas are quite dry. So yeah, and the governor of the place is called Alfred Mutua. So let's go and see what Alfred Mutua has done in Machakos. You guys will be the judges, not me. Thank you. So right now we are near Samia Business Park. I think there's some new development on this road. So this road that is under construction is the Nairobi Expressway. So I think I'll find time and make a special episode about it. The project is running like crazy. The progress is just on another level. Tremendous. Let's go. This road will have a toll station. It will be one of a kind in the country, you can say that. So the guys who are building it this road is one of a kind, as we were saying, and it's not being built by the government, so it's being built by a company, and the government, and as soon as it's done, the completion date is set for 2012. So as soon as the road is done, the contractor will charge, so the road will have a toll station, and the company will charge the guys using the road for 27 years. After 27 years is when they will hand it over to the government. So it's a new way of reducing our borrowing. So, and this is the airport. So the road starts from around near the airport to a place called ABC. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is where the airport begins. Wow. Activities going on here. So this is the start point. Let me move to this other lane so that you guys can see. So like the start point near the airport. So probably we'll have some interchange here. don't know what is happening. Or probably the first toll station. So, yeah. Mlolongo, guys, in Mlolongo town, Mlolongo area of Machakos County. This is also a road construction project ongoing in Mombasa Road. On my left, that is the SGR train that is connecting Mombasa to Nairobi. So standard gauge railway. And on my left, this road is being dualed from I think Nairobi to a place called Makutano. It's Makutano. Makutano is basically the junction to Machakos town. So to fly some drone shots here of this estate. It's very Green Park Estate. So great people, I'm done shooting the drone here around Green Park. It is on your way to Machakos, one of the nicest estate, and it's grown because initially there was only Greens Park, and I can see quite a good number of estates are coming up. And on top of the hill, guys, you could see a lot of industry setting up, warehouses. So just giving you ideas on what you want to do. If you want to plan to set up a manufacturing plant, this is the place. Okay guys, so let me proceed. The hill you see ahead is called Lukenya Hills. Yeah, the Lukenya Hills, very good. Mombasa, 449 kilometers from here. Whoa, 400 kilometers. So this road leads to Mombasa as well. So many other areas. It's actually called Mombasa Road. We are heading towards Makutano. I used to love the program Makutano Junction. I hope it gets back to the screen sometime soon. Yeah, but there are so many places called Makutano in Kenya. Makutano basically means a junction. So many areas with junctions are usually called Makutano. So Tukutane Makutano, Tukutane Junction. The last time I was here, the road was not complete. This other side, so it's very. So right now, what is pending are mostly the interchanges. They have to be completed, and as you come from Nairobi, most of those other places are yet to be done, to be constructed. So, but on this other end, mostly you see the interchanges are not complete. Some areas are missing markings, road marking, and yeah, that's it. The building on the left has been under construction for a very long time. Very long time. It's so sad, the road ends here. And as you can see, as soon as the road ends, there's traffic. So I hope the government build this road up to Mombasa. So guys, we're in Makutano right now, and we shall be taking the road on the left to Machakos.
Since I prayed about my beloved country, I'm about to expose a few names.
Yeah, hello guys. So we're in Makutano right now. The road straight goes to Mombasa, which is the road A109, and road on the left, which is C97, goes to Machakos town. So we're not going to Mombasa. I'm going to take you to Machakos town. So you branch to Machakos town as soon as you get to Makutano Junction. Makutano, I told you guys, is a junction in Swahili. So Makutano is a junction in Swahili in short. If you didn't know, now you know.